In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your PayPal account. If you've been locked out or simply forgotten your password, don't worry. I'll walk you through the official recovery process step by step so you can safely get back into your account. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal homepage. Make sure you're on the official PayPal website and not a lookalike page. You can do this by checking that the web address starts with HTTPS and that you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar. On the home page, look for the Login button, usually at the top right of the screen, and click it. This will take you to the usual login page where you would normally enter your email address and password. Since we're recovering your account, we're not going to log in the usual way. Instead, underneath the password field, you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on that link. This is the starting point for resetting your password and recovering access. PayPal will now guide you through a security check to confirm that you're really the account owner. You'll be asked to choose how you want to receive a verification code. Depending on what you have set up on your account, your options may include a text message, an email, or a WhatsApp message. Choose the method you currently have access to. For example, if you still use the phone number linked to the account, text or WhatsApp can be very convenient. If you no longer have that number, choose email instead. Once you've selected your preferred method, click on Next to continue. PayPal will then send a security code to the option you chose. This can take a few seconds, so give it a moment and then check your messages or your email inbox. If you don't see it, look in your spam or junk folder as well. When the code arrives, carefully type it into the verification field on the PayPal page, making sure you enter all the digits correctly and then click on Submit. If the code is correct, PayPal will allow you to create a new password. Enter a strong password that you haven't used before and then confirm it by typing it again in the second field. Once you save it, your PayPal account will be recovered and you'll be able to log in normally.